wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best paint by numbers kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Vigeiya sunset is a simple yet beautiful interpretation of a sunset on the beach. Waves crashing onto the sand and a quaint lighthouse in the background complete this colorful rendition, and the printed numbers ensure your work of art is perfect. It comes with a wooden easel, however some of the writing is difficult to see, and smaller brush tips may be needed. At number 9, the lapoea firefly forest lets you unleash your inner artist by creating a mystical masterpiece following the color-coded numbers. The brushes are of various sizes for both the large and small details, and the paints are environmentally friendly. It's affordably priced, but the creases are difficult to iron out, and the pigments may not match the picture. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the topwoozu beginner is a striking pastel image of a nighttime moon behind branches. The pre-printed canvas is textured, and the set includes all the necessary paints, as well as 3 sizes of brush for the finest details. You also get a separate paper copy of the numbers, and it's backed by a lifetime warranty. However, the brush quality could be better. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Paint by Numbers kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the ktclcatf 5D Diamond is an inspirational quote printed on durable textured canvas measuring 12 by 16 inches. It includes rhinestones to add a dimension and sparkling brilliance. It features a sticky surface for adhesion and an installation pen for the rhinestones, but note that it takes many hours to complete. Moving up our list to number 6, the ifymei dinosaurs is a vividly colored rendition of a Tyrannosaurus rex. The 16 by 20 inch canvas is textured and arrives numbered and ready to paint, making it a good choice for children. It's made with professional materials and sports bright pigmentation. Brushes are included. Halfway up our list at number 5, the antiniska rose is inspired by the timeless tale of Beauty and the Beast. The delicate red rose lives under the dome of glass, awaiting true love to break the spell before the last petal falls. Included with this set are the unframed canvas, paints, and hanging hooks. It also comes with fade-resistant colors and is digitally marked. It's suitable for ages 3 and over. At number 4, the colorwork full moon includes 4 images of the moon and comes with 6 brushes for both broad and fine lines, as well as all the necessary acrylic paint needed for the landscapes. It allows for full coverage of the numbers, and the brushes have easy-to-clean bristles. The paint is non-toxic and odorless. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the lapoea surf shack is a fun portrayal of the classic surfer dude hut, complete with surfboards and a Volkswagen van. It comes with 3 sizes of brush to ensure you can paint wide swaths, as well as the intricate details. It includes acrylic colors and a textured canvas. This one's suitable for all skill levels. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Paint by Numbers kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Season Eiffel Tower lets you create a gorgeous rendition of this French landmark with brightly colored billowing leaves all around. Shades of blues, pinks, yellows, and oranges bring your masterpiece to life. It includes hanging hooks and 3 brushes and comes in a gift-wrapped box. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Komking Magic Cat includes a pre-printed canvas that measures 16 by 20 inches, a set of 3 brushes, and 1 set of acrylic paints. You don't have to add water to the paints, and they provide great coverage. The brushes are easy to clean, and the canvas wrinkles can be ironed out. This one's ideal for beginners. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Paint by Numbers kits, or simply click beneath this video.